This is Mrs. Stevens, and today I'm going to show you how to use the extension Read and Write for Google. This extension is an awesome extension because it allows you to have websites read out loud to you, the text in the websites. It allows you to have different documents you've created read out loud to you so you can edit and revise them. It's all around a great app. So I already have it downloaded on my computer. You do have to have it downloaded first, and I will show you how to do that on a different screencast. So now that I have it downloaded on my computer, what I'm going to do first is go in and find a document that I would like read out loud. So I'm going to go into the 4C View folder and open up the Annual Report Paragraph Example. Okay, so here is the Amazing Blackberry Report, and once it fully loads, I'm going to want it read out loud to me so I can edit it and I can revise it, see how it sounds and make changes from there. So right here you have this green box. This is how you get into the Read and Write. So I'm going to click on it and it brings down this drop down menu. From this drop down menu there is a play button. So I'm just going to go ahead and press play.
The Amazing Black Bear, written by 4C. Introduction. Black bears are interesting hunters, fighters, mammals. In fact, did you know?
Okay, now if I want to pause it, I can press pause here. So to get this to work, what you do is you bring your cursor to the part you want read out loud to you. So let's say I want this paragraph right here read out loud so I can revise it or edit it. I'm going to listen to see if I hear any mistakes. I put my cursor right on there, and then all I have to do is go up here and press play.
Black bears have many interesting and unique physical features.
And then I can pause it to make any changes I need to change, and then I would just put my cursor back on where I would want to start from. One of the things I really like about this extension is that not only does it read it out loud to you, but it highlights it as you're reading, so you can see exactly what word is being read out loud to you. So let me show you one more time how to get that to work. Let's say I want this right out here read out loud to me, so I'm just going to put my cursor right on there, on the word did, and then I just go up here and I press play.
Did you know that bear cubs are small and can weigh less than a pound, and when they are born they have fine gray fur?
So another really cool thing about this extension is not only does it read your documents to you in Google Docs, but it can also read out loud websites to you. So let's say I'm assigned another animal report, and my animal report is on owls. So I'm just going to do a Google search for National Geographic owls to see what comes up. Okay, so I would like to read about the great horned owl. So I'm going to click on that. Alright, it's loading for us. So once it loads, if it can be read out loud by this Read and Write for Google, you will see the green box here. And that lets me know that this can be read out loud. So in order to do a website, you can't just put your cursor on a website. So what you would want to do on the website is you would want to highlight with your cursor the part you want read out loud to you. And then you go up to this box, and it'll open it. Let me go ahead and highlight that again now that it's open. And then you press play.
The great horned owl is the most common owl of the Americas, easily recognizable because of the feather tufts on its head. These plume cords resemble
then it reads out loud the part you highlighted. As you can see, I only highlighted this paragraph, so it's the only paragraph it read out loud. So if I wanted to read the entire thing, you're going to want to be careful with what you highlight, and then I just press play again. And this is great because once again, it highlights it for you. And you can stop, and then to get it going again, you just highlight the text again. So I'm going to go back into my annual report so I can show you quickly how to do different settings with this. So once again, it's this up and down arrow that lets you access this. I'm going to press down to access it. Let me go down to this part of my report. This right here is the settings for this text help. If you want to click on the settings, you have some different choices. You have a choice for speed. Medium is what it is automatically set at. I have put mine on slow because medium seemed a little fast for me to follow along. So you can try, fast would be very fast, but you can try fast, medium, slow, very slow. I found slow to be the best. Then you can also pick different voices. Now, I caution you with this. The point of this is to be able to understand what is being read out loud to you. So, you're going to want to stick with the ones that say US for US voices. So you could do US Ava, US Jill, US Tom, US Samantha. I like the one that it's set on, which is US Ava, so I'm going to keep it on there. But you can try those different settings. And that is how you use Read and Write for Google.